Snake eyes! Yay! I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 10 pumps.
Oops. Oh, I did it again. Stupid, 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 stupid.
Oh, I ain't got nobody love me. Oh, somebody help me. Somebody just say, I love you, Turbo Man. But they don't. Oh, fuck off.
You know, you should really be proud of yourself. You peppered a little kid and you blew up with a gerbil. Just how long is it going to take you to notify the press about this?
Buzz off, kid.
Are you my daddy?
Hell no.
If you were my daddy, could we play kick the can?
No.
Go to the circus?
No.
Go fishing?
No.
Camping?
No.
Hiking?
No.
Swimming?
No.
Go to the bar?
No.
Pick up chicks?
No.
Rent a clown and beat its ass?
Oh, yeah, maybe that sounds alright.
Renew my subscription to Playboy?
Oh, hell yeah.
You are too my daddy.
No.